Sick of not being able to browse those marketplace deals on your iPhone? Let's troubleshoot why Facebook Marketplace might not be available on your iOS device. First, we have to make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app. Open the App Store and go to the Update section. If you see an Update button next to the Facebook app, tap it. This updates your app, which can resolve any software conflicts. Still no Marketplace? Let's check the app settings. Open the Facebook app and navigate to your profile page. Locate the menu icon, typically 3 horizontal lines from there. Look for Marketplace. If you can't find Marketplace, it could possibly be due to your region. Head to your phone settings. Scroll down until you find Facebook. Tap on Location Settings there. Ensure that location access is set to while using the app or always. This enables Facebook to verify your region and enable the Marketplace feature. Ensure that location services are enabled. Also, check the age requirements. Facebook Marketplace requires you to be at least 18 years old. If you followed these steps and still aren't seeing the Marketplace, try restarting your iPhone. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling the Facebook app. Hopefully, these steps help get you back to Marketplace.